Lift your hands for me. I see a ring that has fallen off your hand, but you push that ring off your hand yourself. And the angel of the Lord said, I should ask you, why did you push your ring? Is it that you are married and you've taken off your ring?
Yes.
Huh? Lift up your hands now. The angel of the Lord is talking to me right now. The reason why you are walking out of your marriage, your husband is innocent. I see a young man that heaven is preparing and building for a global apostolic takeover. But the enemy set him up. And even though he didn't fall a victim, he had been misrepresented in his ministry. Your husband is a pastor. He's a man of God. Who is Pastor Randy? That is your husband's name. And you believe the story that was said. You believed it.
Yes, I believe it so much.
You believe it so much?
Yes, that's why I'm divorced. The evidence came, that's why I believe it.
Evidence. I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. In the next 4 years, the apostolic voice we'll be hearing in this camp is that Apostle Randy's voice. Yes. In the ministry where they are serving, there are about 7 pastors, but he's the most loved among them all. The love, in fact, he is the spiritual father's favorite. Until 2 girls, one came from UPSC, one came from Legon. And listen, I am telling you exactly, the girls that presented that matter, the one from Legon, I am hearing the name Portia. The one from UPSA was called Anekuya. I see screenshot of messages presented before the pastor. All these 2 ladies, it is them themselves that send the message to themselves. But they save that number, your husband's name, to mean that Pastor Randy sent me all of these things. All of them were faking pregnancy. I don't know how they got that pregnancy kit that reported pregnant. Took a picture. She sent it to herself. He said, this is the outcome of what we did. And then it looked like your husband is replying, we have to get rid of this before it comes out. These things are things that were presented. They are all fallacies. It's not true. When she saw the pregnancy, something, that is what broke her. And the whole church, everybody. The young man was trying to explain himself. He knew nothing about this. What you don't know is that Portia and Anekuya, they are high marine agents that have been planted on campus. God knows how many men they have dropped into the valley. And they wanted to drop Randy too. Now are you understanding that the prophet is talking to you?
Yes, please.
Yesterday, your daughter, Abigail, rose up and she was crying that she wants to see her father. Don't cry. When the tear of that girl fell on the ground, the tears was a prayer. And that prayer is what has connected you to this prophecy tonight. I speak the restoration of your marriage. Go and tell him how sorry you are. Bring him to me.
She said it was the text messages that broke her heart.
The WhatsApp
messages.
Those girls, they are experts. They hire them for serious assignment. UPSA and Legal. And they are friends. And they came separately. One entered choir, one entered usher. Huh?
Yes, one of them is choir,
one of them is in choir, one of them is an usher. Yes, is there a prophet in the house? Yes, when you leave here, call him. Go to him. Go and make it work. Clap your hands for the Lord.